Greetings and welcome to another bead haul for Odin's Bead Haul. Today I have for you another haul from Nbeads. They reached out and wanted me to do some more videos for them. So I got a selection of beads and I'm here to show you what I got. I've done quite a few of these videos and there usually is a coupon code on the bottom of the screen whenever I do these things. Save yourself a little bit of cash. I like these shops because you can get a bunch of basics and other things for very cheap and reasonably priced. So yeah, let me show you what I got. First and foremost, I got self-adhesive fabrics. I got a faux leather type thing and this fuzzy polyester thing. I don't really know. I wanted this because I didn't really know what it felt like. Yeah, it's fuzzy. So it's this fuzzy velvety thing and it's brown. These are a game changer when it comes to bead embroidery projects because usually you glue the backing on, but with these you don't have to. You just stick it on and then stitch it. So I don't have to wait for my glue to dry before I can continue and finish my piece. So I love these. They're actually pretty cheap. You can find them like as like furniture repairs. That's kind of what the leather is. Furniture repairs. This, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be for because this isn't really a fabric used for much. I don't know. You can also use collar wraps. There are some, actually I think that's what kind of this is. It's like a flocking that people use for collar wraps. So check that out if you want an alternative for some backings for embroidery. And onto the beady things. I got more bees because I really loved these earrings. So I wanted to get another pair of those. And I got more bee charms because these are really well cast and I really like these. I got some cute little Resin Cabochons. They're glittery and they got little gold flecks in them. I think they're like 10 to 12 millimeter in size. I don't know. I really wanted them because they were pretty. Yeah, little pastel-y, purpley thing, which is kind of cute. Add a little sparkle. Probably use it for embroidery because they're really small, so I'm not sure. I can't, if I bezel them, I'm not going to have a lot of room for the stone. These I got just because I thought they were cute. They're little koi fish in bowls. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but they are very cute. Although the resin on the inside is kind of yellowed, which I don't know how I feel about that, but yes, little cute goldfish in bowls. I got this really cool shape of beads. They're like studs, but not. They're like these strange coin-shaped things, sort of. I don't know, they're sparkly and I think they would be cool for embroidery and stuff, or like a bracelet where you wrap around and make them sticky outy bits. I got a lot of them to use, so those are pretty nifty. I got some Montana colored Rondelles, which are always nice. I think these are like 4x6s or something like that, so those are pretty. Montana is always a color I use. I got these, I guess, in an amethyst. I got these because I wasn't sure what the color was. And, yeah, another. Actually, these are rounds rather than rondelles, I think. Well, they're a little bit squishy. I don't know. But they're cute. They're useful. I got these beads, which I thought they were very small, but they are not. I got the huge chonkers of these cone beads. These are usually interesting in embroidery pieces to add a little shape and definition, but I kind of wanted the smaller ones. I don't know. I'll still be able to use them. I got a couple of resin molds. These are cabochon sized. I'm going to start getting back into making cabochons again eventually, just because they're cool to have around and people seem to enjoy them, so I'm going to be making more of those. And lastly, I got a few things for embroidery. I got these pretty teardroppy shaped rhinestones. Not too sure what they are for, per se, but I think gluing them on a design would be pretty neat. So, I got those. I got a couple of horse eyes. One in a purpley tourmaline color, not tourmaline, tanzanite color, and one in like a lilac-y, pastel-y purple color. I have sort of a theme when it comes to my color schemes, so I kind of stuck with what I know. And finally, I got... I don't really know what color. I think these are amethyst. I'm not sure, but I got more silver rhinestones with the claw findings around them. Those are always good. Just sew on without having to worry about the glue coming off and the piece falling off of your whatever you're stitching. So that is it. That was my haul from Nbeads. So check out them and to see all the stuff that I got, and check out all the little treasures that you can find. There's a coupon code in the bottom. I usually do 2 videos with these. One is going to be another one of the epic sagas when it comes to bead embroidery. So I'm going to make some kind of pin or badge thingy. I haven't decided what the design I'm going to do. I'm thinking something witchy. I'm kind of debating on a planchette from a Ouija board or something along those lines. It just depends. I'm going to play with my cutting machine and see what kind of designs I can throw together. So be looking forward to that, and I also will make a tutorial of some kind, probably an earring or a ring or a pendant or something like that. So be on the lookout for that in the future. But with all that being said, be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all of my shenanigans and social medias down in the description for all of my adventures. Say hi and come and join us on our Discord group, where we have a nice lovely community of beaders who talk about beading and life in general. They share ideas and photos of what people have been creating. Links to that is all down below. And thank you to all of my patrons over on Patreon. You guys are awesome. I appreciate your support in each and every one of you. And if you would like to get exclusive tutorials once per month, feel free to join me over on Patreon, patreon.com/odins.musings, or I also have memberships down in the description for right on YouTube if you don't feel like signing up for a new website. All pertinent links are down below. Thank you all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.